Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about if elif condition and looping. So let's start with the if elif. So let's say I have two numbers. Let's say a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Okay. Now if a greater than b, then print greater. Okay. And else print smaller. Okay. So what we did, we just took two variables a and b, and we have assigned value 2 and 3. And after that, we have used if a greater than b, and after that, this colon sign. So this colon sign basically indentation. So indentation basically refers to the space at the beginning of the code. So where in other programming language you can see some brackets. So basically it refers the this specific is the block of code after indentation. So as soon as I put this indentation it colon, it automatically take the space in the beginning. Okay, so it's not necessary we have to give 4 space or 2 or 3 space. You can just you know uh, give only one space as well. So now let me run this. So if you see 2 greater than 3, no, so that's why it printed smaller. Okay, now let me show you. We can put multiple conditions. Multiple meaning we don't have just if else, we can put different elif as well in between. So let me show you. So let's say L if a equals to b, then print yes. Okay, now let's say if I give same value of a and same of b, now let me run this. So see, like this we can put multiple elif as well. Okay, and there is one more thing. Let me show you. Okay, so what I did, I have put here a less than equal to b, and after that a less than b. So both condition are correct. If I try to run this, so see, it has taken the first one. So it always print the result of first condition, which is true. It will not like move into the another elif if it gets result true in the first condition. Okay, I hope it is understandable for you guys. So now let's talk about looping. So let me take one variable. Let's say a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if I need to loop through this list, so for that I can use for. So for and I can say number in A. So I'm getting value from A, and I'm basically looping, and like one by one I'm putting value into the num. Okay, now print now. Let me execute this. So see, you get. Okay, so if you know put like 1 2 3, so it will return 1 2 3. So whatever you will provide in the list, it will give the result accordingly. Okay, so now let's see another scenario. So let's say I have for, let's say, I in range, so I can provide range as well, like this. Let's say 0 to 4. Okay, now I can print this I. So I need to put indentation instead of colon. I need to put comma here and print I. So see, as I mentioned in my previous video as well, it will always return n minus 1 value. So I have put 4 here, that's why it has written till 3. Okay, if I will write 9 here, it will return till 8. See, like this. Okay, now let's see another one. So let's say I have uh x equals to 1 2 3, and let's say y equals to, I am basically taking blank list, and now I'm using for loop for I in x colon. What I'm looking here, so if you see this y list is blank, I want to multiply all of these value from 2. So what will I write here? Y dot append, and then I multiply 2. Okay, now if I print y, so what will I get? 1 multiplied 2 is 2, and 2 multiplied 2 4, and 3 multiplied 2 6. So let me show you. So see, 2 4 6. So similarly I can put more values, 4 5 6, and accordingly I will get the result. See, okay, now let's do one more example. I will include if condition as well in that example. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's say a equals to banana, apple, and let's say cherry. Now I'm looking only that fruits in my return which contains A. So as per the requirement, banana and apple should be written. So now let me show you. So I'm taking new list as in blank right now. Okay. Now let me use for loop. So for I in A. Okay. After that, I'm going to use if A in I, means if A is containing in the I, so first I will run, and then if condition will check whether A is available on that specific element or not. Okay, now I have this new list. I get result in this list. So new list dot append and I. print new list. So see, I have banana and apple. Okay, so now let's talk about while loop. A equals to 1 while a less than 10, let's say 5, and print I a equals to a plus 1. Okay, let me print this. So see, I received this I because I have put I, and in I value, last value was cherry. So instead of I, if I put a here, then it will return 1 2 3 4. See, so if you change the value to 8, it will return till 7. Okay, so I hope you understood all of these things. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you everyone.